Hi there and welcome to Automotive Control in Bristol. Today we've been installing an aftermarket electric powered tailgate to this 2023 Mercedes Vito. We can do all Vito Vianos, V-classes, all the 447 chassis range we can do. Essentially, we can use the handle on the tailgate to unlock or open the boot. We can also use 1, 2, 3 presses of the Mercedes remote control, and that will open our tailgate. We have installed what looks like a fairly genuine Mercedes boot button to close the boot. So there we go, pop the boot down. Alternatively, you can also press 3 presses of the unlock button to also close the boot down. So you can open it and close it with the remote control. You also have the option of using on the driver's door the unlock button. So if I hit that 3 times, 1, 2, 3, that will also unlock our boot, open our boot, sorry. And again, from the driver's door, we can also close it. So yeah, this is installed within the same day at our workshop in Bristol. And any queries, questions, please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.